Have you ever felt like your cruise ship barely arrived before it was already time to leave? You're not imagining it. Behind the scenes, cruise lines are quietly adopting new satellite navigation systems that constantly calculate faster, more efficient routes across the ocean. The goal is simple: save fuel, avoid congestion, and stay on schedule. But there's a trade-off many passengers never notice: less time near scenic coastlines, shorter port visits, earlier departures, and in some cases, fewer hours to explore the tropical islands you paid to see. In this video, we're counting down 8 ways new satellite navigation systems are quietly changing the cruise experience. From fuel-saving route adjustments and weather avoidance algorithms to shorter port visits and earlier departures. Some of these changes are helping ships operate more efficiently. Others may be reducing the amount of time you actually spend enjoying the destinations you paid to visit. And trust me, the number one reason might completely change how you book your next cruise. Number 8. The new satellite routing revolution. Most passengers assume cruise ships follow the same routes year after year. Not anymore. Modern cruise lines now rely on advanced satellite navigation systems that constantly analyze weather, fuel consumption, ocean currents, and port traffic in real time. Instead of following fixed routes, ships can adjust their course throughout the voyage to improve efficiency and stay on schedule. For cruise lines, the benefits are enormous: lower fuel costs, fewer delays, and smoother operations. But for passengers, these changes sometimes come with unexpected trade-offs. Small route adjustments can affect arrival times, scenic cruising opportunities, and even the amount of time spent in port. Key point: today's cruise routes are increasingly determined by real-time satellite data rather than traditional sailing schedules. But fuel savings are only part of the story, because next, we're revealing why efficiency has become more important than passenger experience. Number 7. The hidden cost of fuel optimization. Cruise lines spend millions of dollars on fuel every year. That's why modern satellite systems are constantly searching for the most efficient route possible. By analyzing ocean currents, wind patterns, and sea conditions, ships can reduce fuel consumption without passengers noticing major changes. But those savings sometimes come with trade-offs. A route that saves fuel may bypass scenic coastlines, reduce time spent cruising near islands, or require tighter port schedules to maintain efficiency. Most passengers never realize these adjustments are happening because the changes often seem minor. Yet over an entire voyage, those small adjustments can noticeably affect the overall experience. Key point: the same technology that saves cruise lines fuel can also influence how much of a destination passengers actually experience. But fuel efficiency isn't the biggest factor reshaping cruise itineraries. Because next, we're revealing how weather prediction technology is quietly changing where ships go and when they get there. Number 6. Weather avoidance algorithms. Have you ever looked outside and wondered why your cruise ship changed course on a perfectly sunny day? The answer may be hundreds of miles away. Modern satellite systems can detect developing storms, rough seas, and dangerous weather long before passengers see any signs of trouble. As a result, cruise ships often adjust their routes days in advance to avoid potential disruptions. While these changes improve safety and help maintain schedules, they can also reduce time in certain destinations or alter planned scenic routes. Passengers may never know a major weather system was avoided. All they notice is a shorter stay or a different arrival time. Key point: cruise ships now make weather-related route changes earlier than ever, thanks to advanced satellite forecasting. But avoiding storms isn't the only reason your island time may be shrinking. Because next, we're revealing why some ships are quietly leaving ports earlier than passengers expect. Number 5. The earlier departure trend. Many cruise passengers focus on arrival times, but increasingly it's departure times that are changing. To maximize efficiency, modern navigation systems often calculate tighter sailing schedules designed around fuel savings, weather forecasts, and port availability. As a result, some ships are operating with less flexibility than they did in the past. Even small delays can create ripple effects across the entire itinerary. That's why cruise lines are placing greater emphasis on strict all-aboard times and efficient departures. For passengers, that means less room for error during port visits and a greater need to return early. Key point: modern cruise schedules are becoming more tightly optimized, leaving less flexibility for late returning passengers. But leaving port earlier isn't the biggest change affecting your vacation. Because next, we're revealing how technology is quietly reducing some of the most beautiful cruising experiences at sea. Quick question. Have you ever felt like your cruise port visit was shorter than expected? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying these insider cruise insights, hit that like button. It helps more travelers understand what's really happening behind modern cruise itineraries. Because coming up, we're revealing how technology is changing scenic cruising, port schedules, and the amount of time you actually spend exploring your destinations. And trust me, the #1 reason surprises almost everyone. Number 4. The shortened scenic cruising experience. One of the biggest changes many cruise passengers never notice is happening between ports. In the past, ships often spent more time sailing near coastlines, islands, glaciers, and scenic landmarks. These slow passages gave passengers hours to enjoy breathtaking views from their balconies and open decks. Today, advanced satellite navigation systems are increasingly prioritizing efficiency. By calculating the fastest and most fuel-efficient routes, ships may spend less time near scenic areas and more time following optimized paths across open water. The changes are usually subtle. A ship might pass a coastline from farther away, reduce time in a scenic channel, or maintain a faster speed through an area that once allowed slower sightseeing. Most passengers never realize the difference because they have nothing to compare it to. But experienced cruisers who have sailed the same itinerary multiple times often notice these small changes. Key point: modern navigation technology sometimes prioritizes efficiency over scenic cruising opportunities. But reduced sightseeing isn't the biggest impact these systems are having. Because next, we're revealing how crowded ports are forcing navigation systems to constantly rewrite cruise schedules. Number 3. Port congestion and dynamic routing. The cruise industry isn't just dealing with more passengers, it's dealing with more ships. On busy days, several large cruise vessels can arrive at the same destination within hours of each other. That creates congestion at terminals, transportation hubs, and popular tourist attractions. To manage these challenges, modern satellite navigation systems constantly analyze port traffic and vessel movements in real time. If congestion is expected, cruise lines may adjust sailing speeds, modify arrival schedules, or alter routes to avoid delays. While these changes help ships stay on schedule, passengers sometimes experience shorter port visits or unexpected itinerary adjustments as a result. Most travelers assume their cruise schedule is fixed months in advance. In reality, today's navigation technology allows cruise lines to adapt continuously as conditions change. Key point: modern cruise itineraries are becoming increasingly dynamic as navigation systems react to real-time port congestion. But changing arrival schedules isn't the biggest reason passengers are losing valuable island time. Because next, we're revealing how small route adjustments can quietly add up across an entire cruise vacation. Number 2. The island time reduction nobody notices. Here's the part most passengers never see. It's usually not one major schedule change that shortens your vacation. It's dozens of small ones. A slightly faster route here, a minor departure adjustment there, a weather avoidance detour, a port congestion delay. Individually, these changes may only reduce your time ashore by 15 or 30 minutes. But across an entire cruise, those small reductions can add up to several hours of lost exploration time. Most passengers never realize it happened because they still visited every scheduled destination. What changed was the amount of time available to enjoy those destinations. Experienced cruisers often compare current itineraries with older sailing schedules and are surprised to discover how much port time has gradually been reduced over the years. The result is a cruise experience that feels more rushed, even when the itinerary appears unchanged. Key point: small navigation and scheduling adjustments can quietly reduce your total island time without most passengers ever noticing. But even these hidden reductions aren't the biggest change coming to the cruise industry. Because number 1 reveals how artificial intelligence is beginning to make navigation decisions once controlled entirely by humans. Number 1. The rise of AI-controlled cruise navigation. The biggest change affecting your cruise vacation isn't happening on the deck. It's happening inside the ship's computers. Modern cruise lines are increasingly using artificial intelligence alongside satellite navigation systems to make real-time routing decisions. These systems analyze weather patterns, fuel consumption, ocean currents, port congestion, vessel traffic, and schedule performance simultaneously. far faster than any human team could. The goal is simple: maximize efficiency, but efficiency doesn't always mean maximizing passenger experience. An AI system may determine that arriving earlier, leaving sooner, increasing speed, or altering a route produces the best operational outcome for the cruise line. And as this technology becomes more sophisticated, these decisions will happen more frequently and with less human intervention. Most passengers will never know a route was changed. They'll simply notice shorter port visits, fewer scenic moments, or tighter schedules. Key point: the future of cruising is increasingly being shaped by AI-driven navigation systems that prioritize efficiency, timing, and operational performance. And now you know the 8 hidden ways modern satellite navigation is quietly changing your cruise experience, and why your tropical island time may never be quite the same again. So, did any of these navigation changes surprise you? Have you ever felt like your cruise ship spent less time in port than you expected? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise secrets, travel insights, and insider tips. Before you book your next cruise, watch the video on your screen now, because the future of cruising is changing faster than most passengers realize, and understanding it could help you get more from every voyage.